Hello, good morning, or good afternoon. My name is Gilbert. We're gonna be talking about the webinar today is the Dongle Connect troubleshooting. This session is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skill necessary to troubleshoot common issue encountered during the dongle connection process. Whether you're beginner or experienced user, this training will help you identify and resolve connectivity issue efficiently, ensuring a smooth user experience. There will be five content on this. Um, One is register, which is registration, definition, indicator of the dongle, step to connect, signal and configuration requirements, and troubleshooting. So first is register or registration. On the register page, on the right side of registration page, where you need to fill the required information, and crucial point to the node is to select the correct clusters corresponding on your location, which most likely is the North America, while registering. Otherwise, the system won't be able to find the station information under your registered account. Additionally, the installer code, or they call it a customer code, is defined and provided by your higher level distributor. So currently there are four cluster server, Asia, Europe, Africa, and North America. Second, definition of Wi-Fi dongle indicator light. There are three LED indicator light on the dongle. The bottom one is the AP mode of the Wi-Fi dongle when it's enabled, and the indicator is solid on. The local hotspot released by the Wi-Fi dongle can be connected. The second one is when the Wi-Fi dongle successfully connect to the internet server, the indicator light will stay solid. The top one, when the in when the Wi-Fi dongle successfully connect to the inverter, the indicator lights stay solid, which means when all the light is on and solid, the dongle is successfully connected. 3. Step to connect. So after turning on the Wi-Fi dongle, the Wi-Fi indicator remains solid, allowing phone or any device to connect to the hotspot it releases. After configuring the network via the app, the Wi-Fi dongle successfully connects to the router or the home Wi-Fi, and the internet server indicate by the solid cloud indicator. Due to certain limitation in the application of the Wi-Fi dongle, please ensure that the home Wi-Fi signal and the configuration meet the following requirements before configuring the network Wi-Fi dongle. Number four, signal and configuration requirement. Before configuring the network for the Wi-Fi dongle, please ensure that your home Wi-Fi signal and configuration meet the following requirements due to a certain limitation in the application of the Wi-Fi dongle. The Wi-Fi dongle only supports 2.4 gigahertz network. If your router has a 5G or 6G capable capabilities, make sure it's set to dual frequency output and support the 2.0 GHz band. The Wi-Fi dongle doesn't support WPA3 security. Please set your 2.0 GHz network to WPA1 or WPA2. To ensure Wi-Fi dongle can connect the router IP, configure the router setting to Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol or DHCP. Characters. Please ensure that the home Wi-Fi name is no longer than 19 characters and the password is no longer than 24 characters. Avoid using space as one space character may be interpreted as more than three characters. Also refrain from including the following special symbols in the password. Number five, troubleshooting. Bug with incorrect password. When configuring the home Wi-Fi, if the password is entered incorrectly, but the setting is successful, the Wi-Fi dongle may fail to connect to the router. Due to the incorrect network password, in such cases, although the dongle can search for the configured network, its tasks remain occupied. This can lead to the following issue. A. When attempting to connect to a Wi-Fi dongle hotspot, the the phone display searching but failed to establish a connection. B. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot, the app is unable to retrieve the home Wi-Fi list for configuration. Additionally, users are unable to access 10.10.10.1 webpage. Solution 1. Close the current router, connect to the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot, and manually enter the home Wi-Fi name and correct password using the app. Once configured successfully, you can reopen the router. Solution 2. When reconfiguring the Wi-Fi dongle, ensure the phone cannot detect the current router. Manually enter the home Wi-Fi and the correct password using the app. After setup, return the phone to its original location. Usually, they recommend to turn off the data on the phone. Solution 3. Use use another phone to create the network with the same name and incorrect password as the home Wi-Fi. Connect Wi-Fi dongle to this hotspot Then configure the home Wi-Fi using the correct credential. Once configured, you can turn off the hotspot on the other phone. Mm. When configuring home Wi-Fi, prompt set to fail. Please check if the network connection on your phone has switched or if the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot has disappeared. After restarting the Wi-Fi dongle, ensure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot properly, and then try the network configuration process again. The f- Oops, what happened? The following exceptions are related to the 10.10.10.1 setting on the website. If the app site can configure the network normally, please avoid the website for configuration to minimize potential issue. Wi-Fi indicator flashing. The Wi-Fi indicator of the Wi-Fi dongle keeps to flash and the phone cannot search the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot, resulting in inability to perform Wi-Fi network distribution. So user may have logged in to the web 10.10.10.1 before and set the Wi-Fi mode as a station mode, default to AP and station. However, due to the inability to reconnect to the website 10.10.10.1 to modify the setting, you need to return to the dongle to the distributor and use the serial port tool to repair it. Forgot password. The Wi-Fi indicator on the Wi-Fi dongle keeps flashing, preventing the phone from detecting the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot, thus hindering Wi-Fi network distribution. If the user previously accessed the web interface at 10.10.10.1 and set the Wi-Fi mode to station mode, default is AP and station, but now cannot reconnect to modify the setting. They should return to the dongle. They should return the dongle to the distributor and use the serial port tool to repair it. Cloud indicator flashing. Even after successfully configure the home Wi-Fi and confirming the correct password, the cloud indicator continue to flash. To address this, connect your phone to the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot and access the 10.10.10.1 web page. Check the run state page to ensure that the AP state and STA states, Network 1 state and Network 2 state are all enabled. For more details, please refer to Part 2 Signal and Configuration Requirement of the home Wi-Fi and the relevant guidance files for setting a password via website. Um, this one is after you factory reset the dongle, it will show this Wi-Fi hotspot name. Usually unable to detect the Wi-Fi dongle hotspot on your mobile phone, but you can see the network signal name, this one, MXC, so MX chip XXX. If you previously logged into the web interface at 10.10.10.1 and reset the Wi-Fi dongle to factory setting, follow this step to recover it. Step 1. Insert the dongle into the inverter port. You will see the bottom light solid on. The the cloud light flashing and the inverter lights off. Step 2. Connect your mobile phone or computer to the local hotspot. The name of the hotspot is the same as the serial number on the dongle shelf. If you cannot find that hotspot with the dongle serial number, you may find one name MX chip dash XXXX. Um, yeah, that's all I have. I think if you have any question, please let me know. We can stop this webinar. Okay, I'm gonna stop the webinar now. Thank you for participating on the webinar today. Thank you.